Toyota Grandvia or Grand Hiace, 16,000 kilometers only, 10,000 miles, 3RZ 2.7 liter engine, timing gears driven, very reliable, very clean, rear wheel drive, has cool box, everything works, AC works, has electric power curtains, .7 gasoline engine. This engine was installed in the Land Cruiser Prado or Forerunner, Japanese Hilux Surf. Has also old stock with antenna, OEM rims. This is section fog lights, folding mirrors. This windows tilting, good for camping. All seats can go flat. Power seats, electric mirrors, power also folding, adjustable dashboard light, OEM radio, cup holders, auction sheet 4B, super clean, 16,000, almost 17,000 kilometers. Super clean, like new. This is OEM cool and hot box, actually. Cool, hot. Power button, this for AC, power button for higher RPM, overdrive, and curtains. Rear, next oil change in Japan, sticker. Super straight, OEM color. Gas tank, and this original carpets, Grandvia or Grand Hiace. Storage and gas cap opening, and rear seats, captain chairs. They will rotate, all falls down to sleep. Has soft close mechanism, and the seats will rotate, and then you can use what's called lap belt safety or shoulder if you will drive upside down. This is for your legs. AC and heater control.